Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. This is one very ordinary looking Portimao Blue M240i. So calling it ordinary was probably a bit harsh really. They're a good looking car, and this car's already had the BMW M Performance carbon kit fitted, but it does need more. This is a non-M Pro pack car, so it has the smaller wheels. But anyway, you can change the wheels out, change the springs out, put a remix onto it and get it into the detailing bay. I don't know if you saw, but some of the B-roll, the factory paint on these is just really weak. It just picks up on all the scratches, the same on our Midnight Purple one. So let's get the parts fitted, wheels changed over, and then into the detailing bay and pick it up in a bit.
Hi guys, it's Steve here and we are ready to get working on this 240i. So we've got the wash done, we've got the decontamination done, it has now been brought back inside, we've got the taping done, we've done paint depths, and we've also gone around and checked with the lights. So the next thing to do now is to get this paintwork looking as good as it did when it came out of the factory. So let's get into it.
So modifications on this that we've done are the Motech stance Eibach springs. We have this spring kit that was helped develop on our G42, the purple one, and as I say, it looks perfect on this. This is also running my old OPF exhaust, so don't give us a bit of a hard time. Remus have developed the exhaust and it should be available to pre-order now, with delivery being sort of mid to late November. They're taking their time onto it. I think they're just working on some link pipes. It's got to go for production, but it is imminent. So the system on this is my old system. The wheels we changed out, he went for the BMW M Performance wheel, which is pretty neat. They're a nice looking wheel on this car, and it really complements leaving the serum grey parts on the front. It's got a bit of gold detailing in the headlamp, so it works really, really well. He already had the M Performance carbon parts fitted. We changed things out to add with the carbon fibre arch guards just to help protect it. The BMW floating centre caps. And then also we had the mirrors colour coded in gloss black as well. They don't actually do a black mirror for this particular car unless you buy them from BMW, but it was easy enough. We had the car here for a week to get it across to the body shop. Let's have a little look what it looks like in the detailing bay.
So as you can see, the BMW behind me is now complete. It has been detailed top to bottom and it is now coated with Crystal light and EXO, ready for the next 5 years of protection. So this customer will come back to us in about a year's time for his regular checkup and just see how he's going with coatings. So let's get outside and see what it looks like in the sun.